Welcome to my trivia show. Get ready to test your brand knowledge with our Guess the Logo in 2 Seconds challenge. We've got 200 cold drink and snack brands lined up. Let's see how fast you can guess them. Ready? Let's go. Guess the logo. It's Coca-Cola. Guess the logo. It's Pepsi. Guess the logo. It's Lay's. Guess the logo. It's Fanta. Guess the logo. It's Doritos. Guess the logo. It's Sprite. Guess the logo. It's Mountain Dew. Guess the logo. It's Pringles. Guess the logo. It's 7-Up. Guess the logo. It's Red Bull. Guess the logo. It's Monster Energy. Guess the logo. It's Gatorade. Guess the logo. It's Dr. Pepper. Guess the logo. It's Kit Kat. Guess the logo. It's Oreo. Guess the logo. It's Snickers. Guess the logo. It's Toblerone. Guess the logo. It's M&M's. Guess the logo. It's Twix. It's Pop-Tarts. Guess the logo. It's Capri Sun. Guess the logo. It's Ruffles. Guess the logo. It's Cadbury. Guess the logo. It's Tropicana. Guess the logo. It's Powerade. Guess the logo. It's Hershey. Guess the logo. It's Chips Ahoy. Guess the logo. It's Fritos. Guess the logo. It's Milky Way. Guess the logo. It's Nestle. Guess the logo. It's Minute Maid. Guess the logo. It's Tostitos. Guess the logo. It's Kool-Aid. Guess the logo. It's Sun Chips. Guess the logo. It's Hostess. Guess the logo. It's Arizona. Guess the logo. It's Lifesavers. Guess the logo. It's Butterfinger. Guess the logo. It's Reese's. Guess the logo. It's Lay's Stacks. Guess the logo. It's Goldfish. Guess the logo. It's Yoo-hoo. Guess the logo. It's Cheez-It. Guess the logo. It's Little Debbie. Guess the logo. It's Funny Uns. Guess the logo. It's Red Vines. Guess the logo. It's Slim Jim. Guess the logo. It's Sour Patch Kids. Guess the logo. It's Welch's. Guess the logo. It's Popcorners. Guess the logo. It's Rockstar Energy. Guess the logo. It's Trident. Guess the logo. It's Milka. Guess the logo. It's Canada Dry. Guess the logo. It's Little Caesars. Guess the logo. It's Power Bar. Guess the logo. It's Kellogg's. Guess the logo. It's Jolly Rancher. Guess the logo. It's Ritz. Guess the logo. It's Wheat Thins. Guess the logo. It's Skittles. Guess the logo. It's Twinkies. Guess the logo. It's Nutella. Guess the logo. It's Cinnabon. Guess the logo. It's Butterball. Guess the logo. It's Kettle Chips. Guess the logo. It's Five Gum. Guess the logo. It's Dunkaroos. Guess the logo. It's Dasani. Guess the logo. It's Nature Valley. Guess the logo. It's Baby Ruth. Guess the logo. It's Lunchables. Guess the logo. It's Sunmaid. Guess the logo. It's Altoids. Guess the logo. It's Slim Fast. Guess the logo. It's Cheese Balls. Guess the logo. It's Sour Punch. Guess the logo. It's Twizzlers. Guess the logo. It's Eggo. Guess the logo. It's Fun Dip. Guess the logo. It's V8. Guess the logo. It's Faygo. Guess the logo. It's Polar. Guess the logo. It's Monster Nitro. Guess the logo. It's Capri Sun Fruit Punch. Guess the logo. It's 7-Up Cherry. Guess the logo. It's Sunkissed. Guess the logo. It's Barks Root Bear. Guess the logo. It's Lipton Iced Tea. Guess the logo. It's Nabisco. Guess the logo. It's High C Orange. Guess the logo. It's Diet Dr. Pepper. Guess the logo. It's Kashi. Guess the logo. It's Frito-Lay. Guess the logo. It's Mamba. Guess the logo. It's Nesquik. Guess the logo. It's Sierra Mist. Guess the logo. It's Jones Soda. Guess the logo. It's Mr. Pibb. Guess the logo. It's Snapple Apple. Guess the logo. It's Chex Mix. Guess the logo. It's Rolled Gold Pretzels. Guess the logo. It's Ocean Spray. Guess the logo. It's Bugles. Guess the logo. It's Nescafe. Guess the logo. It's Wag Bakri. Guess the logo. It's Balaji. Guess the logo. It's Kurkure. Thanks for playing Guess the Logo in 2 seconds on my trivia show. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes. See you in the next video.